Our all-plastic paint cans resist cracks, dents, and rust. And they come with a pour spout that optimizes your pouring angle for a cleaner project experience. In this video, we're going to show you how to attach the pour spout to the lid. Start by picking up your free pour spout at the paint desk. Then, when you're ready to paint, simply remove the cap by using one of three methods, the most common of which is to use the notched end of the pour spout to turn counterclockwise. After that, flip the spout over and twist the threaded side clockwise to be ready for a clean, controlled pour. You can also remove the cap by using a generic crescent adjustable wrench to grip the inner notches, or by placing the sharp edge of a generic 5-in-1 painter's tool between the middle notches and turning it counterclockwise. Keep in mind, you can remove the entire lid with a paint key if desired. When you're finished with the project, remove the spout and wipe the excess paint from the opening. Then, reseal the paint can by reattaching the cap. And finally, don't forget to keep the pour spout in a safe place for your next project.